Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage screensaver settings on Nokia Smart TV. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the home button so that we can find the gear icon on the top right corner of our screen. Enter those settings and scroll down for device preferences. Here scroll down again and find screensaver. And first of all, you can already start your screensaver right here, right now with Start Now. And if you want to customize the settings for it, there's a screensaver, and we can choose to turn a screen off entirely, use the backdrop, or change the colors. And there's also option to change when it starts automatically, so we can choose to start it after 5 minutes of inactivity, 15 minutes of inactivity, and etc. There's option to set it to never as well. We can put our device to sleep after 13 minutes of inactivity, or also the same thing. There's multiple different settings and never option as well. And that's basically all of the screensaver settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.